Who's considered the incredible power of thank you? Those two words express gratitude, humility, understanding, as well as acknowledgement. I'm here today because of you, my family, my friends and colleagues, mentors and peers, because I need to say all of that and then some more. Thank you for giving the opportunity to let me do what I love the way I wanted to and to always have supported me. It's very humbling. There's a phrase I'm sure everyone knows. It takes a village to raise a child. In this case, it's not a child that's been raised but a man, and it's well to do good. The village behind it is you and the beautiful country of Canada. For that, I will always be grateful. Thank you to the chefs and owners who have been trusting me to make their establishment my own, and for being so incredibly supportive. You understood what we were trying to achieve and helped me make it possible. Your generous gifts of time, expertise, and personal investment are deeply appreciated. Thank you for making me feel like one of your own, letting me express myself, my beliefs, and pay attention to what I do and what I say. I am truly blessed for the past 10 years in Toronto, even though it's been a rollercoaster of emotions. I have met so many wonderful people, so many generous souls. I could name you all, but it would take hours. Thank you to my Raptors for giving us the title one summer after France won the World Cup. That shit was awesome. 10 years, many of you, one love, Canada.